Hello and welcome to Trade Talks. Stocks will look to build on this strong recent momentum and reclaim their record highs next week amid a slew of economic data while the trade war fears decrease. The S&P 500 is about 1.6% from an intraday record reached on July 26th after notching back-to-back weekly gains. The broad index is up 1.8% this past week after surging 2.8% in the last week of August. Wall Street's move toward all-time high comes as recent U.S. economic data suggests a recession may not be in the cards, and the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates later this month. Easing fears around the U.S. China trade war are also lifting investor sentiment. Now, if the data remains solid, Fed rate cut expectations stay high, and the U.S. China trade tensions lower, the market could climb back to all-time highs. The Labor Department on Friday reported better than expected U.S. wage growth for August at a time when consumer spending is strong. However, the report also showed jobs growth slowed for a third straight month. Investors have been focused on China after the world's second largest economy cut its reserve requirement ratio by a half point, marking the third such move among dozens of other stimulus measures implemented by the Chinese government. Market participants are focused on China's economy because weakness in the country could filter through to the rest of the global economy. On Thursday, markets rallied as Chinese and American officials set the stage for negotiations towards a resolution in their trade conflict to take place in early October. An upbeat reading from ISM on activity in the services sector also provided support in the Thursday session. Next week will be important as investors get more clues about the Federal Reserve's next policy move. August readings for the producer and consumer price indexes are scheduled for release Wednesday and Thursday respectively. Now, my advice to the investors: keep a close watch on the economic data and the central bank decisions. The Fed is not slated to meet until the week of September 17th, but the European Central Bank will announce its latest monetary policy decision on Thursday. The ECB is largely expected to cut rates, with some experts forecasting a restart to its quantitative easing program. Diversify your investments and manage your risk properly. Thank you so much for watching this video. To keep yourself updated about the latest happenings in the world of financial markets, subscribe to this channel. To register for our seminars in the month of September, click on www.century.ae. My name is Yogesh. You have a great week ahead.